Just ignore the camera.
Anything will do a bit of.
Right, this half of money. How to make that one up? Made of vegetables. Oh, right.
Come back.
We're not going to take that one, are you?
It's hard to tell you.
Pour it properly.
Okay.
Stick your finger under. Look at that. What do you put tea in there? It's pissing me hot. Have a look at this. Look.
Put it back. Put it back.
Put it back here. Give us it here. Go to bed.
Go to bed, Danny. Well, that's how much I know.
Yes, look.
That one's done north for you, Carl.
We'll have a shot of that.
Remember the day we got the feral Christmas Virginia?
Just turn the wash up. It's going to start the attack, mate.
Where'd you
We'll
put
have
the
it all
feet in?
overdone.
Where'd you put the feet in? That? Have you got the billy on?
Down the side there.
Margie, you've got the billy on?
Down the
Yeah, sure, there.
Wide open.
Excuse me, what are you supposed to do?
Wait for the finger for it.
We'll just go and grab it and been on there for a week. Where?
What do you want, Billy? You want Billy?
Yours. Got it.
What do I lose? Who took me mark? Is that my mark or you? Who's that? You might get it right. Oh, I had it.
Mark here.
Here's the mug there, the mug everywhere.
Yeah, she's in around. Take it away, she's right.
Oh, it's easy, mate.
Did a job?
That's a bit better.
I'd like to
Just get on that. Get on the hot water line.
Here, just here.
No.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Where you go?
Which way am I going to do it backwards?
Yeah, go backwards. Now go.
Hang on. Turn it.
Hey, Viv, I hope you can swing it left-handed. Your right arm's going to get knocked up.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Are you ready? Right. Enough tea in it? Yeah, right. All right. Well, that's enough. That enough? Here, pour her out. You right?
Beautiful.
This is what the evening for the people of the cattle drive is all about. The chance to... Sorry. Don't moo in the background, will you? Ready? This is what the evenings for the people of the cattle drive are all about. The chance to sit down and relax around the campfire, basking in the afterglow of a good meal and good company. Shit, I've forgotten what I want to say. Sorry. Right.
Okay, Trace, where you go?
This is what the evenings for the people of the cattle drive are all about. The chance to sit down and relax around the campfire, basking in the This is what the evenings for the people of the cattle drive are all about. The chance to sit down and relax around a campfire, basking in the afterglow of a good meal and good company. These evenings are just as important to the drive as the miles they must cover every day, because talk is the best medicine when you've spent a hot, dusty day in the saddle staring at a row of cattle behinds and mile after mile of road. This is what the evenings for the people of the cattle drive are all about. The chance to sit round an open campfire. Sorry. This is what the evenings for the people of the cattle drive are all about. The chance to sit down and relax around an open campfire, basking in the afterglow of a good meal and good company. Oh, I guess I'm getting a mental block all the time.
Okay, I'm rolling.
Because talk is the best medicine when you've spent a hot, dusty day in the saddle staring at a row of cattle behinds and mile after mile of dusty road. Okay?
Blue got the shits because
We're away too.
he said, look at him, he said, these bastards only been here 10 minutes, they're all on TV, and he said, it was just my turn today to drive the vehicle. Right? All his little cousins and nieces sitting up every night watching the news to see if he's on it, and he's on the chuck wagon the day that the camera's here. At least they never broke me boiled eggs and me enamel bloody coffee today.
That's my good drive.
Tiny, last time you and Tiny drove, you broke all my gear.
The day before.
Yeah, up that rough road.
No, it's the day before.
No, it wasn't our day.
Proper terminology is sulky.
Sulky, is it? Oh, God.
The day the gear got broke, we come over that.
No, it was
Multi-broker.
They broke all my boiled eggs. Shattered me boiled eggs. And me bloody enamel crockery.
I drove today and nothing was broken in a sec.
Skin and catfish.
Jesus.
What were they reading?
You're making it hard now, Ron.
That's the last time they're the big pair, about 12-inch pair of fence and fly.
Back up, put them back here.
Oh, just stick it up on the old expense account, I suppose.
in the truck. Walk it down, it's more fuel.
How did the mare go this morning, Mick?
Good when I got going.
Pretty exciting.
Well, they know.
Well,
I wouldn't take it.
When we first started out, if you got 15,000 for sulky, just goes in.
No way. No.
She wouldn't be for sale, would she, Mick?
No way.
How old is she, Mick?
Only 9. Yeah. It's the hardest thing, yeah, but I don't give a bugger what anyone says. And as I said, it's the first time I've ever had a horse in charge. But you get any horse that's sort of a bit of go about him and try and go a long drive. And like, if you're behind, the horse is walking too fast, you've got to stop. And it's got to stop still. It can't move around like a stock horse. You know what I mean? Just got to stop like that. You know, it's bloody hard training for horses.
They tend to.
It terrifies them, they see the cart behind them. Is that right, Ben?
Yeah, that's mainly,
Yeah, that's the main thing. They have winkers so that if they see they see the wheels frighten them because it looks like something's going to run up the backside.
No, that's understandable too, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. I just thought it was a stop and bloody seeing everything else.
Where'd you find that little mare then, Mick?
I didn't find it. No, a bloke had it at home on adjustment after he sort of broke it and he wanted me to ride it and get a bit used to it. And anyway, I got real used to it and I didn't sort of tell him I was, you know, I wanted it. I just said, you know, if you haven't got anyone else to buy it, I may as well buy it off you because I knew he was short of money.
Well, you took it in payment for the grass.
Well, I did. I took a fair bit for adjustment. Only paid 200 for it.
He's going to be watching
She was twice as good because she was sort of, well, she was broken in, but, you know, she was sort of a bit doggy.
Well, where do you find, I mean, Viv was saying earlier he used to take 30 horses sort of on a string out. Where do you find them all? Do you just come across them or?
How many horses we come past today? Viv, how many horses? 50? 50 bloody horses. Everywhere you go along, there's horses.
And about 5% of
Well,
them any
you
good.
just find them along the way, do you?
Oh, I bred most of mine.
Yeah. What, have they got any, I mean, is there any type of horse that's good, a good breed? What's good?
Oh, yeah, good breed and bad breed.
Yeah.
Like that.
They wouldn't want to be real big horses, would they? Like
No,
tall.
strong horses,
Yeah.
strong.
Blocky horses.
Those,
Like in a registered Australian stock horse, they've got an A brand on the rump, isn't it?
yeah.
Who was saying that? Blue? Well, yours hasn't, has it? Disappointment.
And buckskin.
On those big drives, do you ever do many in with legs and that or not? Not
Oh, I'll
often?
get an odd one killed. Not many though.
Mm.
Car or something hit them. Oh, I have had them with the hobbles. When we used to hobbles and they've been shot, you know, scratched their neck.
We're all saying...
For they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good
You
fellows.
might as well be looking at the camera.
God bless all those who sail in it.
Don't look guilty now.
We'll tell Frosty. Frosty will see it for himself.
Who's shot now?
Why don't you put your arm around each other and don't be so
That's the only time we
pretend.
haven't had anybody